Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So I'm back again with indaba zakubhethwe iPremiership. Amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. So ngizoqala ngeindaba ezihamba phambili ke bafethu ngomdlali weMamelodi Sundowns, istar lesidlalela iSundowns. Abantu abaningi kade befuna le indaba lezi during the week befuna ukuzwa kahle kwenzakalani ngalomdlali weMamelodi Sundowns. So kuneindaba ke iphumile kuthiwa uKhulisi Motawu has received ama-offers from both within Africa and abroad. Yabo, interested in signing uKhulisi Motawu. Yabo, iMamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa ayikho willing to sell uKhulisi Motawu. Yena uKhulisi Motawu ngokwakhe ufuna ukuhamba kwiMamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns currently they are not willing to sell uMjida. Kuthiwa uMjida he has been striking against the Mamelodi Sundowns. He has not been pitching up to our training sessions with the Mamelodi Sundowns. Ufuna ukuhamba ngempela. He's forcing a way out of the Mamelodi Sundowns. Mukhumbula kahle ke i-contract yakhe uMjida is expiring next year ngoJune 2026 ngoJune i-contract yakhe expire with the Mamelodi Sundowns. So we might see uKhulisi Motawu being a free agent if Mamelodi Sundowns failing to conclude i-deal yakhe entsha, failing to revisit and making him sign a new deal with the Mamelodi Sundowns. Could we see uKhulisi Motawu becoming a free agent? Iminyaka yamshiya kumele enze izinto fast. Ngangitshela ama-comments, should Mamelodi Sundowns let go of uKhulisi Motawu, sell him right now, or risk him being a free agent, eshiya nje iclub as a free agent? Wangitshela ama-comments. Kwezinye zeindaba ngisakuyona iMamelodi Sundowns, uPeter Shalulile bafethu i-transfer update yakhe use-receive i-offer from i-Experience njengangangishilo i-Qatari club mase kuba i-Al Hilal, ile club le yaseSudan ke bafethu. Kuthiwa i-price tag iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna uMjida ahambe mase kufike iclub ezomatcha i-amount efuna ukumdayisa ngakhona iMamelodi Sundowns. Right now ayikho iclub esaphichaphile, but bafuna leyo club ezofika imatche le bid le abayifunayo. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu umdlalo ona-19 weKaizer Chiefs uSifiso Timba is attracting interest from iSikhukhune United after shining for Amajida and the DDC side. Kuthiwa a loan move could be on the cards. So iKaizer Chiefs might loan their 19-year-old Sifiso Timba. Kwezinye zeindaba ngisakuyona iKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa uPulemodi will miss igame yeKaizer Chiefs against iStellenbosch kule weekend bezoqala nje kuyona. Kuthiwa due to suspension after his red card against iSikhukhune United last season. Manikhumbula kahle ke wathola i-red card against iSikhukhune last season. Ngiyazi abekhona kule game aboyidlala against iStellenbosch. Wangitshela ama-comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi. Is it a good thing ukuthi uMjida ngiyazi ayidlale leyo game noma cha? Kwezinye zeindaba fethu iDurban City have signed Stellenbosch defender uKali Jurgens on loan with the option to buy. The 21-year-old defender who made 50 appearances as a right back joins amid interest from iSundowns and iChippa United. Yabo, kuthiwa imove yakhe uMjida iphushile le move le. I-camp yakhe uMjida iphushile le move le. Khona uMjida ezothola ama-minutes amaningi kuDurban City because kuSteelers bengathola ama-minutes regular. iSundowns bemfuna, iChippa bemfuna, but ke Stellenbosch opted to loan this guy to iDurban City for him to get ama-minutes. Kwezinye zendaba eziphumile kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ifuna uSireno ahlale yabo kwisizini elandelayo. Bafuna uSireno a-ede omunye unyaka. uMjida una-34 years old, bafuna ahlale until 2027. Ingabe isinqumo esihle lesi noma isinqumo esibi? For me, I don't think uMjida kumele ahlale kakhulu kwiKaizer Chiefs because ayikho i-impact etheni uSireno aseyilethile kule Kaizer Chiefs side. But ke wangitshela ama-comments mhlawumbe ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs angasho ukuthi chavani. Sireno kumele ahlale kwiKaizer Chiefs noma akumele ahlale. Ngangitshela abafethu kuma-comments. Kwezinye zeindaba bafethu istriker seSikhukhune United uAndy Boyeli usejoyine iYoung Africans on loan. uMjida ke ubedlalela iSikhukhune, akenza kahle kweSikhukhune. Isiconfirmile ke iYoung Africans uMjida uzodlala but he'll be playing on loan from iSikhukhune. Kwezinye zeindaba George Motlow is set to sign a 1-year deal with the Kaizer Chiefs following a verbal agreement. Official announcement is expected to be coming kule insuku ezilandelayo. Benikhumbula kahle ke indaba zakhe uMjida bezingekho clear but ke sebesikhanyiselile regarding indaba yakhe uGeorge Motlow. Ikhipha indaba laba fethu iRichards Bay FC kuthiwa istadium sabo lesi sile ngeke basisebenzise kule game ezodlala ngeweekend against iMarumo Gallants. Bazoshintsha ivenue yabo due to ama-rainy matches enzakalile ngosikhathi kudlala iKZN Premiers Cup. Nibonile ke bafethu istadium besingekho right, i-situation yaso ayikho right. Wangitshela ama-comments regarding lesa stadium, it's not a suitable stadium to host any PSL games, but ke they hosted the Premier Cup games last weekend. Not last weekend per se, ngaleya weekend leya isiphuma kuyona badlalile abafana, but for me I wasn't impressed with the stadium. Ongitshela ama comments, how do you feel about that stadium? Because right now it looks like badlali kulesa stadium they will find another venue to host le match le Richards Bay versus Marumo Gallants. Kwezinye izindawo afethu uDion van Rooyen will now wear ujersey number 21 ngoba uNkosikhona Ndaba osethole unumber 3 last week. Sakuyona nje iPirates bafethu uHappy Jele umnikezile umfana inamba yakhe. Mnikezile umfana inamba yakhe bafethu mina ngikhumbula kahle ke inamba Happy Jele biqomi Miguel team recently departed from Orlando Pirates. Lo number leyo sizogqoka ubani uThabiso Sesane idol yakhe vele uHappy Jele. So uSesane wakhula vele emsupport uHappy Jele, so le number le ubeyideserve kakhulu. We really saw i-episode ya The Giants. I-Giants bafethu ik-highlightile lokho. So it's really good to see umdlali bafethu omncane oguidwa i-legend njengoHappy Jele. Kangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona into kanje. Kwezinye izindaba uConfirmile uKhadosi uthi amathikithi e-MTN against iRichards Bay asadayisa namanje. Kulabo bangawatholanga bangaya kowathenga amathikithi bafethu. Le game ade beyidlala neRichards Bay, ama-fans bengekho maningi, amathikithi asakhona, hamba uthenga ithikithi. Ngiyadlala bafethu uvale lo bafethu, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho, ungifollow e-Instagram uvane sports. Yabonga kakhulu ngesupport eninginayo yona bafethu.